Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And here we are. We have Kelly and Mark Matthews visiting us right now from Oregon. While Luann is helping, they are speed cleaning the house, going through boxes and boxes of stuff in the basement, in the garage, and elsewhere. And while we were going through all that, we came across this door prize we had for a fly-in back in 2008. And here you go. We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you. So we bought this to give away as a door prize, and it was a Peanuts coloring book and a fun shape with the flying ace on the cover. And you know, you got all the wonderful stuff in here to color, but it would have been a great door prize. Not a lot aviation related in here, just typical Peanut stuff, but we thought it was pretty cute. And at the very end, there you go, a happy pilot. That's what we all like to be. And there he is on the back, looking the other way from the front. So ladies and gentlemen, just some little nostalgia for you while we're cleaning house on this very snowy day here November 10th here in Ohio. So we're staying in the warm house. I'm out here on the back porch filming this for you. So I hope you're having a good day, and in your part of the country, it's a good flying day. You get to spin with your Grumman. Thanks for watching, guys.
Get some quick kills now, but